Welcome to Jaywalking the Planet. We are in Washington, D.C., and we're going to bring you tons of videos where it took us 28 hours just to get in this spot. You can see the White House behind me. We're roaming around D.C. We're going to go to museums. We're going to see monuments. We're going to see people. And who knows, might bump into the president. Is it me? We're in Washington, D.C. And
ladies and gentlemen, this is now a restricted area.